Hi everyone! This week I will paint a fan art mug of one of my favorite games to play in my free time. Don't Starve Together is a multiplayer survival game where you have to manage to find food, face different seasons, and dangers lurking in the dark. Sounds serious, but it's actually really cute and relaxing for me. The background stories of the characters and the lore of the world just add to the overall immersion. For me, it's one of those things I come back to when I have some free time and want to take my mind off other things. Together with reading books, watching movies, painting, crochet, spending time with my cat, hiking, or whatever else I fancy at the moment. I think it's important to have that work-life balance and be able to develop your skills and interests so we can fully enjoy different aspects of life. I painted 2 other mugs for myself in the past few years as part of a community event on the games forums. I have thoroughly enjoyed them and I keep using them. It's so much fun to have different mugs for different occasions, activities, or mood you may have. So it became a tradition at this point for me to create a Don't Starve Together mug every year. I painted and recorded this mug in 2022 during the 3rd year of community event. And then this video was put on a back burner as I was trying to figure out YouTube and video editing and all the stuff connected with it. And it's plenty. It's a lot of stuff to figure out. Since I have a personal attachment to this mug, I suppose I wanted it to be perfect before I publish. But at the same time, there's lots of things that I was doing differently a few months back, so the light and the quality of the recording may not be as good as I am trying to do now. So I finally decided it's time for this video to see the daylight. My technique here is the same as you have seen me do in the past. Once I create a composition I am happy with on a paper sketch, I ink it and transfer it onto my mug. The art in Don't Starve Together is really appealing to me and reminds me a bit of Tim Burton's style, so I really wanted to do justice to the characters. Unlike my previous mugs, I chose more than one character to arrange into a scene. I thought it was a bit funny since it's not clear if Woody is attempting to chop a tree with his axe, or perhaps his plans are more sinister and Wakefred should watch her back. Literally. Other than that, I also made small changes as I remembered the librarian character Wickerbottom has her own bumblebees. So I swapped those instead of the regular bees you can see in some biomes in the world. The bumblebees were a fairly new addition for this character around the time I was painting it, so it was pretty lucky I remembered that. It's reasonably easy to make changes while you paint a mug using porcelain paints. Although the paints dry very fast, you can easily remove them with a cotton swab or even gently scratch it off with something. I usually pick toothpicks as they are precise and don't leave any lint sticking to the mug or paint around the area I am cleaning. As long as you don't burn the mug, you are free to make any changes you want. After burning, the paint becomes permanently bonded and there's nothing more to be done about that. I am painting this mug in layers, starting with base color and then adding darker and lighter shades where it's needed. Some of these paint colors are opaque and some are transparent, which gives me a good opportunity for layering as well, just adding small dimension and liveliness. The black contours are not a concern for me at this point since I will redo the line work at the end anyway. But if you are wondering why things don't look too sharp, it's probably because I am covering up the line work as I go, and although it may look shabby in the process, everything will look crisp in the end. I will be back at the reveal. Have fun watching this mug come to life. I'm back and my Don't Starve Together mug is ready to join my collection. It will be well loved and used, and it will certainly bring a smile to my face and make me look forward to some fun time playing the game. I would also be happy to hear your personal stories about your cherished mugs. So if you want to share, let me know down in the comments. It is highly probable I will do some more fan art mugs, as these types of mugs are simply part of my collection and I like to have a mug for every occasion. But for now, that's all from me. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more weekly mug painting fun. Take care, bye!